guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Luxe box for the month of March right here. This box costs $50 a month and it is available on a quarterly basis. So on the month that it is available, you pay an extra $25 and you skip out on the regular $25 base box and you get this bigger box. And in this box, you get between 7 to 9 full-size beauty, skincare, makeup, lifestyle products, and you're promised a value of at least $395. So today I'm going to show you what came in my box and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, first of all, how big is this box? This is my fourth, I think it's my fourth Luxe box, and so far I've been really enjoying them. This is my fourth or my third? Maybe my third. It might be just my third, yes. So that's what it looks like inside. It says Luxe right there. And this month's theme is Boxycharm Lucky, which is perfect because this month is St. Patrick's Day. And let me show you what's in my box. The first item in my box is the Be Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette. And here on the little card, it says, meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blast of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense saturated light reflective shades with gorgeous textures plus long-lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. This retails for $50 and this is a Boxycharm exclusive. And believe it or not, I'm actually wearing it on my eyes right now. If you watch any of my videos before, whenever I get an unboxing and I'm doing my makeup, I cannot wait. I always have to use the new palette. So I will be having a tutorial for this look maybe tomorrow or a day or two. But let me show you. Okay, I'm getting way ahead of myself. This is the packaging right here. You have the name of the palette, Barbarella, some lashes. It's pretty cute. This is what the actual palette looks like, and let's take a look inside. I absolutely love the mirror. I love palettes with mirrors. And here is the color story. I did use this again, so as you can tell, I have swatched it and used it. And in this palette, we get a total of 20 eyeshadows. And I feel like I can definitely give you a big review on this. I'm going to keep it short because as you can see, I'm wearing it on my eyes. But I obviously will go more in depth in that video if you want to see that. But I've read online a lot of people complaining about this palette. And I feel like I have an idea now why. I feel like I have an idea now how it works. So in my opinion, it's not a bad formula. I've read that some people were complaining that they didn't like the way that it's swatched or the way that it looks on your eyes. First of all, one thing that I do have to critique is that you only get 5 matte shadows in here out of 20. I think that's a little bit ridiculous because a lot of these shimmers, you don't need like multiple of these like champagne looking shimmers. You don't need that many. But I did want to point out that I did notice while I was doing my eyeshadow that you have, I think, 2 different formulas of shimmers in here. You have a more soft like satiny shimmer, and then you have something that's a little bit more greedy. Let me show you. Like these shimmers up here, they're very soft and buttery, whereas this one I have on top of that blue there is very gritty and almost like a glitter. So when I used this first and I was like really disappointed, I thought the whole palette was gonna be bad. But no, it's just there's different formulas of shimmers in here. So I will recommend, like, I guess since you have so many options of shimmers, if you want something to be nice and buttery and soft, go for the ones that look more satiny. But overall, I did enjoy the palette, and we have it in our collection now, whoever has the Boxyluxe subscription, so we might as well find a way to work with it. So I will share this tutorial soon, and then I'm gonna do a second look, I think, using just more neutral colors. I just really wanted to use like the shades that excited me the most about the palette, so I used the blue and also this green shimmer right here, and the one here that looks like duochrome right here in the center. So this, I don't want this video to turn into all about this palette because again, I'll have a second video about that. But overall, I did like the palette. At first I was like, wait, this is not such a great formula, but I feel like I have an idea how to work with it, and I'm glad that I did get it. I did enjoy it. That was the first product. I talked way too much. Let me get into the next product. Okay, so the next item in my box is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And it says here that this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration, and it retails for $42. As soon as I saw deep hydration, I got excited because I have extremely dry skin, like I always say. So anything to hydrate my skin, I'm down for. But let me open this up and see how it looks. Now, I did read online, a lot of people were very excited for this. It looks very interesting. I've never tried it. I actually don't know much about this. I feel like I should because I have dry skin. But I don't know much about it, but I know a lot of people were very excited. So I'm going to try this out. Seems very interesting. That was the second product. The next item in my box is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. It says, this long wearing light as air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore diffuse, shine-free finish. The oil-free formula is made with climate adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat and humidity and won't clog pores, so that wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin, and it retails for $36. I think this is amazing. I love Fenty Beauty, but I've never tried this foundation before. So I'm excited to get it. I did get in my premium box a Becca Cosmetics foundation, which I was really not expecting at all. I actually hadn't seen any spoilers or anything for it, but this is the foundation that I got from Fenty Beauty. I am very pleased with it. I love Fenty Beauty again, and I love their products, and they're a very high-end brand, so I'm excited to try this out. They sent me the shade 270, so I don't know when I'll try it out because I have a lot of new foundations at the moment. So between Ipsy and all the different Boxycharm boxes, I have a lot of foundations to last me a while, but I'm very happy with that item. And I forgot to mention that I did choose this myself, so yeah. Okay, so the next item in my box is the Rose & Quartz hair mask, and here it says that your touchstone of hair products, the Rose & Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes, vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. And it retails for $31. I've never tried this, but I love to read a lot about like makeup and skincare products, and I'm always like on Reddit. So a lot of people have been raving about this. So I'm down to try it. I'm very lazy with doing hair masks because I feel like I already take so long like keeping up with my skin that I'm honestly very lazy with that, I'll be honest. But my hair needs it. My hair is very dry. No matter what season it is, it's just dry. So why not? It seems very interesting. I just wanted to smell it. It smells so heavenly. It looks creamy. No, it looks kind of like jelly, like a jelly. It smells almost like perfumey, a very good perfume. It smells so good. Again, I've heard so many great things about it that I'm down to try it. And I think it's really cool that I got a hair mask, and the next item is also for hair. Really, really cool. Once ago, I would have not liked those kinds of items, but now I'm very excited for that. The next item here is the Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. The Soleil Mini Heat Brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. And it retails for $150. Now that I don't get. How is this $150? I do have a Revlon like One Step Volumizer hairbrush. That's what I use for my hair all the time. And it's huge, and it only costs like $40-something. Sometimes it's on sale for $40. So this for $150, I don't know, sounds like not legit. But I think I'm gonna have to try it out. I don't know if I'll do a video. Maybe I'll do a video like reviewing this. But I'm definitely gonna try it out either way at home. That's what it looks like. You've probably seen this before online if you follow like sneak peeks. But when it is safe to travel, I would love to take this with me. So I think it will be perfect for me if it does work out, because the Revlon hairbrush that I use is so humongous and I just never take it with me. So this will be perfect to travel with. So I'm very excited to try it out, and I might do a video like showing you guys how I will style it and just letting you know, just showing you if it works or not. Maybe even comparing it to the Revlon. But I'm very excited that I got this, and I'm excited to try it out. I'm just excited. That's what I'm saying today. But yeah, I'm very pleased. The next item in my box is the Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. It says here, get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. And it retails for $18. Oh, I almost don't want to open this. It seems so perfect in the packaging. It's so cute. I really love Beauty Bakery's their packaging, but I don't want to break it. Okay, let me see if I can get it out of here without, okay. It made it out almost safely. I know my daughter's gonna want this. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. They're so adorable. You get 6 total eggs or sponges. Let me get them out of the packaging. I absolutely love getting sponges because I go through them very quickly. That's a green one, or I guess that's like teal. This is such a cute idea. Just the packaging alone, like the colors and the way it's set up, really speaks to me. They feel very soft, and I'm so excited to try these out. I really love that I got that. That's a very, very nice product, I think, with Easter right around the corner too. Really nice touch. The next item in my box is a Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. It says here, define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. The silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable, you'll forget you're wearing it, and it retails for $18. Sounds really cool. Sounds like the kind of formula that I like. So that's what that looks like. I think the teardrop shape seems very interesting. I think I could really enjoy that. So I'm excited to try it out, and I just love getting lip products just in general. I love lip products. So, and I've heard great things about Dominique Cosmetics, so I'm excited to try that out. And I think I have one more item here. Yes, the last item in my box is the AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Gold Lip Plumping Mask. This 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and a softer, kissable lips. And it retails for $42. That sounds crazy. It looks so pretty. It looks almost like it's like glitter. And almost like something to play with. I don't know. It looks really pretty. I guess I'll try it out. I'm not huge into lip masks. The ones that I have are enough. I don't like to collect them at all. They're not like super exciting to me. It does look really pretty. So I guess I'll try it out. But yeah, that was the last product in my box. I got a Fenty Beauty foundation, 6 sponges in this beautiful packaging, eyeshadow palette with 20 shadows in it, by the way. That's a lot of shadows. Hairbrush, a heated hairbrush, a lip liner, hair mask, and a serum right here. So these are the items from my March Luxe box, and let me add everything up and tell you guys what the value is. Okay guys, so according to my calculations, my March Luxe box is valued at $392, which I think is amazing. Some of the items maybe are not really worth that, but just looking at the items that I have here on my little table, I think this was an amazing month. The only thing that I was a little skeptical about while I was using it was the palette, and I ended up loving it by the end of the look. So I do think that it was a great box. Of course, I'm going to have to try out these items, like the brush here. It looks amazing, sounds amazing, but I haven't tried it yet. So I need to go ahead and try it out to really decide if I love it or not. This seems really interesting. And again, I've heard so many great things about this that I feel like it will work because so many people just really love it. And overall, I was very impressed with my box. So far this month, Boxycharm is doing great. I already unboxed my premium box. This is my Luxe, and I'm waiting on my base box. So stay tuned for that. But that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will have a tutorial for this look coming to my channel right after this video. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.